Hey there, I'm Angela from Tekonsha, and today we're taking a look at the Primus IQ brake controller, part number 90160. The Primus IQ electronic trailer brake controller is a staple in the Tekonsha family. As a proportional controller, the Primus IQ brakes in proportion to your trailer's braking action. That means when you hit the brakes in your car or truck, the brake controller's internal inertia sensor tells your trailer to brake as well, so they stop smoother, at the same time, and at the same strength. This proportional system cuts down the wear and tear and extends the life of your vehicle's brakes. It also works proportionally in reverse to make backing into tough spots just a bit easier. The Primus IQ also cuts power to the trailer's brake when your vehicle is stopped, extending the life of the magnets and brake shoes in the trailer's brake assemblies. Designed for 1 to 3 axle trailers, the Primus IQ was created to work with electric over hydraulic braking systems. It has a boost feature too. Just the touch of this button here provides up to 3 levels of additional stopping power when you first hit the brakes, making it useful for those times when you're hauling a heavier load and need more power to stop. The Primus IQ also makes it easy to set the power output to your trailer. Simply squeeze and hold the manual override, then move the power output knob to your desired setting. When you hit the brakes, the Primus IQ will apply your trailer's brakes proportionally, up to the amount of power you've set. If you ever need to manually apply the brakes to your trailer, simply squeeze the manual override control. The Primus IQ will apply power to your trailer's brakes, up to the amount of power previously set, to help you stop your trailer without hitting your tow vehicle's brakes. Using the manual override also illuminates your trailer's brake lights, letting drivers behind you know that your rig is slowing down. The Primus IQ also has a digital LED display, self-diagnostic check to monitor your connection and magnet condition, which illuminates the readout when issues occur, and a self-leveling feature when navigating various terrain. Plus, it's easy to install. Simply use 2 of these screws to secure the mounting bracket to your dash, and these other 4 to secure the brake controller to the bracket, making sure it points in the direction of travel. The unit automatically levels when it is mounted within a 90-degree vertical range. Use the universal pigtail harness, which is included with your Primus IQ, or a Tekonsha custom harness to connect one end to your vehicle and the other end to your controller. The unit itself can be attached to the mounting bracket, or you can use the included dash mounting clip to snap the controller into one of 3 angle positions, so you can easily unplug it and take it with you. Several additional features make this controller unique, including battery protection to preserve the unit and accessory system, a power save mode to reduce battery drain when not in use, and a limited lifetime warranty. That's it for the Tekonsha Primus IQ brake controller, part number 90160. For more information on this and other great products from Tekonsha, visit tekonsha.com.